About juicy, tender. So let's start. These are our chicken drums and we just poke in some holes in all of them. Very easy. That's the first step. So we go for some flour and there we make the secret mixture from Kentucky Fried Chicken. Okay, there we just put in a lot of spices. This is some garlic. Then we've got some curry going on. We've got some Ras El Hanout, some Arabic thing. Then we've got some smoked paprika, very important. We've got a little bit of cumin going on. Then we've got hickory, smoked salt, not too much. And this is our mixture. And we give it a good stir. Then we put some amount of this mixture inside the bowl. The rest we leave for coating our drumsticks later. The buttermilk, go in for it. And one lovely egg. And we give it a good stir. Now we have all our drumsticks and you really want to season it with salt and a little bit of nice pepper to taste it very nice. And after doing that, you just give it a good stir. Put this into the fridge for at least 1 hour. What I do, I just prepare this in advance, like 1 kilo, so you have it by hand, this lovely seasoned flour. This is great also for schnitzel. I let it rest for 1 day in the fridge, our beautiful drumstick. Put like 2 liters of oil inside a big pot, make it really big. And you can reuse it afterwards, like 5-6 times you can use this oil, because we don't go so high with the heat. So you take them out and get the liquid around them, use one hand, put them into the flour and use your other free hand to just press it firmly. See, that's all the magic. We do it again. Get some of these beautiful drumsticks. Just let it fall and with the other hand you press it really, really nicely and shake the excess flour away. So what we do now, we wait for our oil to get to 150 and therefore it would be cool if you have something to check it. You know, now we're at 102. Our beautiful drumsticks and they will go in soon. And we go in with another batch. Just put them in gently. And after you do that, don't move them anymore. So this journey takes us about 15 minutes. So see, the temperature drops a little bit, but this doesn't matter. You better do it too slow than overcook it. After 6 minutes, you just grab gently such a drumstick and turn it around so that nothing sticks on the bottom. See, just take it out very gently. You know, this is now what's the deal about, and turn it around. And we're still like at 120. This is enough surface temperature. Okay, we are ready. Let's see what's this all about. We just transfer it here to get rid of the oil, and let's check out. Yeah, that's cool. And we just put it over here. And now please, that's what we are talking about, isn't it? That's what we are talking about. Juicy, tender, crispy. What else do you want in life? And now we go for a lovely plate. See, we get us some beautiful, beautiful barbecue sauce. Here we've got our lovely, lovely Kentucky Fried Chicken. There we've got our pomme duchesse. And we put some of the lovely, lovely carrots on there. Some mashed potatoes. And I've got some cucumbers. Some freshness with a little Greek dip. Let's put it on there too. Isn't this a gorgeous feast of Kentucky Fried Chicken, pomme de chèvre, cucumbers, carrots, and mashed potatoes?